Welcome. In this episode, Mignon Marseille speaks with 3 team members of Manifera about how collaboration and culture drive successful international tech projects.
Welcome everyone at the podcast of Manifera. And my name is Mignon Marseille and I'm interviewing 3 of the employees of Manifera. Welcome. Would you all please introduce yourselves?
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nga, and I'm currently working as an HR executive and project assistant at Manifera. I joined Manifera 3 years ago, and it's a great journey here to work at Manifera for my professional development and personal development. And I'm very happy to be here today. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay. Hi everyone, my name is Vũ. I'm now living at Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam. My major is computer science. I have been working in Manifera company for about 9 years, and my current role in the company is technical leader.
Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Yui, and currently I'm work as a software developer in Manifera and work for both front-end and back-end. My major is software engineering and have joined Manifera for nearly 2 years. Thank you.
Thank you, Dwi. Okay. And then, we were talking about development already. Could you share a bit more about what attracts you about working at Manifera?
The things that attracts me to work at Manifera I think is the balance between professional development and personal well-being. Moreover, I think it's about the people here at Manifera. The employees is very supportive, friendly, and very talented. It creates a very positive environment where people feel safe when they have any questions or they want to grow in their career.
Okay, wow, thank you. And Dwi, do you get trained by Manifera?
Yes, of course. Well, we get trained via a varieties of seminars and sharing sessions. For example, like technical sharings, communication sharing, or data science and cybersecurity sharing. And I think they are very good for the developer. It's not only improve our technical skill, but also it provides with information to work effectively and deliver perfect product to the end user and our clients.
Okay, perfectly. So both hard skills and soft skills. Yeah. And Vu, keeping up to date with the latest tech is very important. Could you tell me how do you keep up with the latest techs?
Yeah, I usually, in order to keeping up with the latest technology, I often following the tech communities. I also check article, books, in social media, uh, and I also follow the expert in the field, same as me. Um, Checking their YouTubes and articles, blogs from them.
Okay, so different areas where you look at, and AI is very hot at the moment. Are you using AI in your daily activities?
Yes, I do use AI for my daily activities, especially in my job. Like I use AI for coding, improve refactoring code, also reviewing the code quality, and so use AI for researching and learning new technologies, and use AI to summarize document or making documentation for our products.
Yeah, okay. So that will make your life more easy. And is Manifera using AI inside the web and mobile applications which you are building for your clients?
Yes, we use AI for our clients for some products. Um, but we help our client integrate with AI like ChatGPT and some other AI services to build some great features. We also deploy our on-premise AI server and integrate it with our products, our internal products, like a product called Cruise website. And but we also note and very strictful that we don't share the sensitive AI data with the AI.
Okay, clear. Over to Nye. In case a client's request for certain experiences or certain developers which are currently not available at Manifera, what are the steps that you take there?
We will quickly search for the suitable candidate through our external network or external channel for recruitment, such as Manifera website or any social media platforms such as LinkedIn to attract the candidates.
Perfect. So, and what do you do after you find suitable candidates?
We will evaluate the candidate throughout some interviews to assess their technical level and for communication or any soft skill that can perfectly match with the client requirement for that position.
Okay, perfect. And what are some typical points that Manifera puts in the labor contract with their employees?
Beside the key information about the employees, check the job role, job description, the salary, working hours. We also emphasize the respect at our workplace. We want our employees to work with the other college with the highest respect and professionalism. We also provide medical insurance for the employees beyond the government requirements. There also a clause about the confidential protection where employee must sign and acknowledge about the company information, the client data, or any intellectual property that employee must protect even when they leave Manifera.
Yeah, so I hear some important values and security also very important. Yeah, thank
Yes.
you. And Fu, what tech stacks is Manifera mainly using when working with the clients for the web application development?
Yeah, for web application development, our company use wide variety technology stack like related to the programming language like PHP, Python, and Ruby. We select the modern framework in the backend like Laravel, Django, and Ruby on Rails. We also use the modern framework in the front end like React.js and Vue.js to implement the best experience UI for customer.
Okay. Yeah, and maybe Dwi, you can add what tools are you using to work with your clients?
Well, we work with clients through many channels, for example, like Slack and WhatsApp. I mean, communication tools that we use to contact with clients and relate to minute for the code and request. We will use the GitLab, and regarding to manage for the task, we will use the GitLab issue, Jira, or Monday.com platforms.
Okay, thank you. And Fu, how do you take care of keeping the data and the applications of the clients safe and secure?
Yeah, when working with our client, we it is very important that keep our client data safe by putting it in a private place and restrict who can access it, like our manager only or technical leader can share during the company inside the company. Um, we also it is also very important that we audit our products, our source code during development, and after deploy it, we also build multi-layer protection for our client products as well. And in the company, we apply a security policy so everyone can keep the data safe and not share outside.
Perfect. Yeah. So, and if you onboard a new client at Manifera, can you share a bit about how that goes?
Yeah, as a technical leader, I will help my project manager to work to communicate with client, understand their need, and understand the business domain. After that, we will try to communicate with client to clarify all the requirements, make it clear, breaking down into tasks, having a plan for that. And during the development, we will frequently share the process with the client, getting feedbacks and make it better in order to deliver the best quality to the client.
Yeah. So there are a lot of contact points. Yeah, I hear. Okay. And more in general, I'm just curious, what kind of social activities are being done to keep the colleagues at high spirit?
Beside our training section or technical sharing section for Manifera, we also have social activities for the employees where they can have a chance to connect and relax with other colleagues beyond working hours. This activity includes happy hour events, team dinners, or special celebration for occasions such as Tet holiday, Christmas, or Women Days. We also plan bigger events such as company trip. We will stay away from the city a couple of days, maybe staying at a very nice beach resort and having a lot of building activity games. So the employee will get connected with others. So this also strengthens our company culture as well.
Okay, perfect. And I see both Fu and Dwi nodding and smiling, so they must agree. Okay. Well, thank you all very much, Fu, Nye, and Dwi, for sharing with us today about your experience and how you work with clients.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Thank
And thank you all for the viewers today, and see you in the next podcast. Bye-bye.
you.
Bye.
Thanks for listening. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into Manifera's approach to teamwork and technology. See you next time.